Hey guys, me Ashley Thompson here. Today I'm doing a video, and today I'm going to be trying this, I'm making a new account just to do the 100 rare spike challenge on this new account. So let's get into the video. So, I want to name her Rosie Jelly. That's weird. Rosie, well I am loud. Rosie Loud Lady. Yeah, I like that. Anyways, let's get into the next step, and I'm going to pause so you don't see my password. But even if you did, I mean, I could still change the password, and I wouldn't really care about this account anyway. Just really, but like, But I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. But first, I'll let you see my username. I like Queen Brunette. Okay, now I'm gonna, well, it blocks it anyway, I think. Does it? Nope. We got to pause. Wait a second, guys. Hey guys, I'm back, and now we're going to be see if we can get anywhere with the 100 spikes challenge. I mean, there can be diamond spikes too. I really would prefer diamond spikes. I don't understand why. I just have this obsession for diamond spikes. I don't really care for the rare ones. I mean, a black long would suffice, but I've already had like good colors before, and I've already had bad colors, so I really just don't want any more. I just want diamond spikes. I haven't had much of them in the past. So, let's get into this video. And my computer is slow. I'm so sorry. I mean, at least it works, On Sparkstock 32, it's like much faster because it's like already an older account and this computer knows it well. And I am at my Nana's house and she watches a lot of movies, so you might hear a TV in the background being very loud. Anyways, come on. What the heck is taking this thing so long? And, it's taking forever. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys, I get really impatient. It just makes me mad. This thing is so, slow. And since I turned 13, it's like I like to say between every single word I do say. See, like now. Oh my gosh, I need to stop that. It's like a bad habit. And my voice is a little scratchy because I think I'm getting a sinus infection because it's like that time of year and there was a hurricane going through North Carolina. I guess the pressures going through this place that I live in, Alabama. So, I guess it's why. I'm gonna have to refresh the page, guys. Hang on, let me refresh. See, it likes to work once I refresh it. But I have to do all those steps all over again. Okay, now it's just being slow. Oh yeah, I got C, piece of junk. I'm sorry, guys, and I just need to hurry up because this video is going to last till my time limit's 15 minutes. So if it cuts out, I'm dearly sorry because this thing is just not wanting to cooperate and just dumb computer crap. Okay, but here it goes. I'm gonna have to shut the door, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I just had to shut the door. My Nana's being loud. And that is where I get that from, but actually my dad's side of the family is really loud when they talk, especially when they scream. It's like, whoa, okay. See, I try to control my loudness like I am now, but it's kind of hard because, oh, it even showed my username. And the Sparkstock 32, I'm trying to get a username change. I just submitted a ticket to Animal Jam, and they haven't said anything back. Well, I haven't even checked my mail, so I'm probably going to have to do that at the end of this video. And my new user will be IcyDog1011 on my Sparkstock 32 main account. Oh my gosh, Peck, what the heck? You're just, glitching. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, that is such a gorgeous Arctic Wolf. I think I'm going to do an Arctic Wolf like that when I get membership back on Sparkstock 32. Go there, you bunny. Yes, I know. I know that I have my own unique style. Stop telling me that. Okay. Peck is annoying. Okay. Peck, let's go. Yes, let's start by customizing mine, okay? My computer's being slow. Oh, come on. What the heck is my computer doing? Okay, here it goes. Guys, it's already been like 5 minutes. It's being slow. And any item I get, I'm gonna trade to Sparkstock32. My main account. Well, Ice Dog 1011 is how I see it now. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I done customized. Oh yeah, that otter. Oh my gosh, guys, you know that I'm just gonna make a random emoji. Oh my gosh, I just made an evil face. And I know it's just what you mean. You jerk. You're just being sarcastic. But, yeah. And, you know, TapeU78, I'm trying to get that account back in SassFox45 too. And I was probably just gonna, like, keep TapeU78 and I probably was gonna give that to my little brother, Preston. He's like 3 right now. And when he grows up to be 12 or 13, I was going to give that to him. It's basically a boy account I created, if I get it back. And Southwest 45 is going to go to my little sister, Olivia, when she's like 10 or 11 on her birthday gift from her, big sissy. She likes to call me Sissy. You saw her in my video of Maria Scott, and I was at my dad's house, all the way in Tennessee. So, yeah. Oh, you're arrogant. He just said my den is the coolest. Okay, I don't care about the den as being the coolest. Oh my gosh, that wolf on like Team Eco Lover 554 is my sister's old account. I know her password. She doesn't even care anymore. She got mad because I took her flower crown. It's like, dude, I haven't even been on there in like 2 years. And she has like all these older animals and stuff, only 25. I'm like, seriously? And she's never gonna get on it again, I'm sure. So I just took her stuff because I don't want to customize my den right now. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna get into the video, and I'm probably gonna end it right here and make a part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in this next part 2. Bye.